Today we're going to talk about 5 of the Blender add-ons that you can use to make the process of making and organizing UV islands much faster and easier, whether it be for video game assets or high-quality visual effects and animation. This video is brought to you by Sketchfab, a platform for buying and selling 3D models online. Their store has a lot of high-quality models to choose from using a great model inspector. Links in the description. Number 5. Textuals. It is a collection of tools that helps any texture artist with UV and texture-related tasks. The main philosophy is to shorten the typical steps into simple context-sensitive single clicks. Textuals add-on comes with simple size tools, UV layout tools, selection tools, textile density tools, and it can do texture baking as well. This tool is really good for UV unwrapping if you need something that allows for quick and fast UVing. And this tool is free, by the way. You can download it from GitHub. Number 4. Textual Density Checker. This Blender add-on can be used to solve a simple but serious problem when creating UVs. In 3D software in general, when creating UVs, you need to keep the aspect ratio between UV islands accurate, otherwise the textures will not look perfect, nor with the same details. This add-on helps you to do that with the different features it has. You can use the Textual Density Checker to calculate the density of the model for different texture sizes between 512 pixels and 4069 pixels, or with the custom size and aspect ratio you choose. You can also use the interactive checker material to see what is going on when trying to check the textile density. In addition to having the ability to copy textile density from active to selected objects, also you can visualize the textile density with vertex colors and UV islands with random vertex colors as well. This add-on is free and you can download it from GitHub or Gumroad. Number 3 is ZenUV. ZenUV is another add-on that combines a set of tools that can be used for creating fast UVs in Blender. Its tools are intuitive and can help you do some complex UV unwrapping tasks with ease. Some of the most important features that comes with this add-on include Smart Zen Unwrap operator that allows you to unwrap your model by marked edges and packing UV islands after that. Also a powerful marking system that helps you mark seams automatically by angle, by existing UV borders, and manually as well. In addition to the Quadrify Islands operator to strengthen rectangular shaped UV islands. And you can even use different UV packing engines such as UV Packmaster with Zen Uv add-on. You can find this Blender add-on on the Blender Market. Number 2. UV Packmaster. When you use this add-on, you will realize it is one of the most efficient UV packing solutions for Blender because it is very fast and uses both CPU and CUDA GPUs as well at the same time. So if you have a strong CPU and a strong GPU, you will be able to pack UV super fast with maximum efficiency. The secret behind UV Packmaster is that it uses an algorithm that gives the packing process an enormous performance boost, outperforming other UV packing solutions. The most interesting thing about this add-on performance is not just time saving only. Even though packing complex UVs in real time is nice, the great efficiency of the algorithm equips the add-on with much more powerful abilities that prove to be useful when working on your 3D assets. You can find this add-on on Gumroad. Number 1. UV Toolkit. UV Toolkit is an add-on that has a set of tools for fast and high-quality UV creation within Blender. It comes with a lot of features that make the process of creating UVs faster and easier. For example, you can strengthen the UVs using alignment tools. You can do this on both the X and Y axis, and you can do it with angles and vertices in addition to islands as well. You can also control the orientation and rotation of the islands and edges to be able to arrange them in a certain way, in addition to having the ability to stack different islands on top of each other or unstack them and set the distance between them as well. In the same vein, you can also match similar islands and make them identical. There are also interesting features like the ability to check crossing nuding borders, in addition to having customizable pie menus that enable you to add and remove tools that work best for you. You can find this add-on on the Blender Market. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.